everyone. My name is Jamila from Love Mila. Love Mila is a lifestyle brand, and our tagline is to live beautifully. And no, that doesn't mean exteriorly, it means your inner drive and passion, what makes us unique and happy. So, my blog and this channel features what I love to do most, which is fashion sewing, traveling, and we just acquired a farm, so homesteading will definitely be in the mix. Those are very different things, and so we have a broad audience. And if you're interested in any of those things, then welcome. You are in the right place. Follow me, Love Mila on YouTube, Instagram Love Mila23, and Facebook Love Mila tagline Live Beautifully. So hope to see you there. And I'm glad that you're going to join